Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the YAM pounder runs firmware v2, 1 or later, and connects to 4 GHz Wi-Fi. That prevents pairing failures. Once done, plug the unit in and wait for the status LED to pulse blue. This indicates boot and ready to pair. Next, open the app on your phone and sign in. Choose Add Device, select Smart YAM Pounder, and follow the on-screen QR or AP pairing prompts. Make sure you keep the phone within 2-3 feet of the device during initial handshake. Once paired, you configure network and operating modes so the pounder behaves predictably. You choose Auto for scheduled cycles, Manual for direct control, or Night with reduced intensity. This affects energy use and noise. Then map the device to a room and bind it to routines like morning prep or post-dinner. Linking routines lets you trigger multiple actions with one command. Finally, set safety thresholds, maximum speed, and an auto shutdown timer to prevent overwork and maintain motor longevity. You finish by running a 5-minute calibration cycle to establish a baseline profile for texture and load. Saving that profile optimizes future runs. Once complete, test voice commands and remote controls to confirm latency and permissions. Make adjustments to routine timing if you notice delays. If the device becomes unresponsive, try rebooting first, then re-pairing in the app. If issues persist, perform a factory reset, but only after exporting any saved profiles. This resolves persistent connectivity or corrupted configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.